at the doctor's office.
Hello. What kind of complaints do you have? I see that you stated to be here because of a sore throat.
Yes, since yesterday morning I have a sore throat, plus headaches, dizziness, and nausea. I just generally feel a little sick.
That sounds like a classic cold. There's really not much you can do about it except rest.
But I have to work the whole week, so there is not much time to rest.
No problem. I'll write you a medical certificate for at least 3 days. But you should spend these 3 days in bed. I can also prescribe you some meds for pain relief if you want.
Okay, I will. Yes, that would be really good. Otherwise, I can't even sleep at night with my head and neck so sore.
I'll prescribe you an aspirin and throat candy to suck on. Then you should feel better soon.
How fast?
Well, in general, an ordinary cold doesn't last longer than a week. At least as far as sore throats and headaches are concerned. You may still have a cough or other mild symptoms after a week, but after 3 weeks at most, it should be gone.
All right, then I don't have to worry. Thank you for your help, doctor.
No problem. That's my job after all. I wish you a quick recovery.
Thank you very much.
Lost train ticket.
Hello. Have you by any chance seen my train ticket on the floor? I lost it. It was a completely new multi-journey ticket.
No, I haven't seen it. Maybe you lost it at the ticket machine.
No, I already looked there. I'll have to buy a new one then.
Maybe you should ask at the information desk first. Maybe someone found it. I'm sure an honest human being found your ticket.
Well, I doubt that. If I found a ticket on the floor, I would just keep it.
Really? I wouldn't do that. You never know which situation the person who lost it is in. Honesty is important. But if you wouldn't hand in the ticket, I suppose karma won't give you yours back.
Then I should give up my search and strive to be more honest in the future.
Yes, that's a good idea.
Maybe we could meet for a coffee sometime. That I can prove to you that I'm not such a bad person after all.
No, I don't think so.
Directions.
Hello. Do you know which way it is to the town hall? Yes, but the directions are a little bit complicated. Maybe you should write them down. Yes, I'll note the way on my phone. Don't you have Google Maps? Then you can navigate yourself there. No, my mobile data is used up. Okay, then you can't do that. So first you need to go left on the next turn. Then you should be able to see a blue house with green shutters. Turn right at that house. Okay, got it. Then you just follow the street to the roundabout and take the third exit. Okay, next. As far as I know, you have to go on until the savings bank and then turn left there. The town hall should then be to the left. Okay. What does the building look like? I don't want to miss it. It's green with white windows. It's a big building. There's also a sign that says Gemeinde there. In front of the building, there's a big parking lot, which you can't miss. Thank you so much. I'll be on my way then.
I'm sure you'll find it. Good luck.
Thanks. Have a nice day.
You too.
Rearranging furniture.
The way the living room is now, the couch is in the way.
Do you think so? But that's how you wanted it to be when we moved in. We can rearrange the living room, but we have to take the whole day off.
Yes, but now I don't like it anymore. Why should we take the day off? It'll only take a minute.
No, because then we also have to clean at the same time. There will be a lot of dust coming up.
We can vacuum that right away. I bet we can still do this today.
No, because then we would also have to move the cupboard. Otherwise, the couch won't fit in. And we have to clean out the cupboard a bit first. Otherwise, things could fall out and break.
This could actually take a little longer. Where would you like to put the couch?
A little further away from the door to make it easier to go in. Maybe to the left of the window?
Yeah, that's what I had in mind. Let's just do this on Sunday. We both don't have to work on that day.
But on Sunday, you shouldn't make so much noise. I'm sure the neighbors will complain.
Ah, nonsense. We'll just take a midday rest and be done by the evening. And nobody can say anything. Besides, we're always very quiet.
All right, let's do it then. I'll clean out the closet, then we won't have so much to do on Sunday.
Perfect. Snowboarding.
Do you still want to go snowboarding this year? I haven't been for a really long time. I'm sure I don't even know how to do it anymore.
Bollocks, you don't just unlearn that. It's like riding a bike. When do you have time?
In February, I have to study for my exams. I don't have time then. But in March, we can go after my last exam.
That could be a problem. I heard that the snow isn't that good this year. They already had to use artificial snow in December. I can't imagine how that will look in March.
On the ski run's website, I read that the season doesn't end until April. We shouldn't have a problem there.
I'm aware that the ski runs are open until then. But do you really want to go snowboarding in artificial snow at 12 degrees Celsius? We can go out in t-shirts by this time.
But I don't have time. I have to study.
Can't you just take this one weekend off? You're a good student anyway. You've always had at least a B in the exams. It won't be different this time just because you didn't study this weekend.
Maybe you're right. I'll see what I can do. But then I'll at least study on the way there.
You can do that. I'll bring my headphones and do something else.